Hello, I am X Manager. Welcome to my channel. Learning Photoshop can open up a wide range of possibilities for creating and editing digital images. It is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, from simple photo retouching to complex digital art and graphic design. One of the most common uses of Photoshop is for photo editing and retouching. With Photoshop, you can adjust the color, brightness, and contrast of your images, as well as remove unwanted elements and blemishes. It also has advanced tools for retouching skin, making it a popular choice for portrait and fashion photographers. Additionally, you can use Photoshop to create composites, panoramas, and HDR images. Another popular use of Photoshop is for graphic design. With its advanced vector and raster editing tools, you can create designs for logos, posters, brochures, and more. Photoshop also has a wide range of brushes and tools for digital painting and drawing, making it a great choice for digital artists. Photoshop is also a popular choice for web and UI design. You can use it to create and edit website layouts, buttons, and other web graphics. It's also a great tool for creating mock-ups of mobile and web apps, as well as designing wireframes and user interfaces. Photoshop can also be used for 3D modeling and animation. You can use it to create 3D models, apply textures and materials, and even create animations. In addition, Photoshop is widely used in the film and video industry for visual effects and compositing. With its powerful masking and compositing tools, you can create realistic visual effects and seamlessly integrate live-action footage with computer-generated imagery. Finally, Photoshop can be used for printing, such as creating brochures, flyers, and posters. You can use it to create high-resolution images for print and ensure that your designs are properly set up for the printing process. In conclusion, Photoshop is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're a photographer, graphic designer, digital artist, or web designer, there's something in Photoshop for everyone. It's a great program to learn and open many opportunities for your creative and professional endeavors.